In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone else added you as a close friend on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. And the easiest way to identify that a user has added you as a close friend is just wait until that user shares a story. As you can see, there are some stories here, and all of that stories except one is rounded with that purple circle, but one particular story is with that green circle, and that definitely means that this user has added me as close friends, and they shared a story just for close friends. Another way to identify if someone else added you as a close friend is go to your DMs, and in the same way you can scroll down through your contacts list, and here you should search for the same green circles about the user's profile pictures. That will also means that this user has added you as a close friends. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.